Join me as I take on the challenge to earn big with GLP-Xtreme while getting fit in 2025. Welcome to this video where we're going to explore the incredible potential of GLP-Xtreme, a revolutionary weight loss product from Great Life Worldwide. GLP-Xtreme not only offers you an opportunity to improve your health, but to also make a significant side income, helping others do the same. You're probably wondering how you can achieve your fitness goals while also increasing your earning potential. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We've all been there, trying to juggle our fitness goals with the demands of everyday life, while also struggling to make ends meet financially. It's a tough balancing act, and more often than not, one or both of these aspects of our lives suffer as a result. We set lofty fitness goals, only to let them fall by the wayside as we get caught up in our busy schedules. And when it comes to earning money, we often feel like we're stuck in a rut, unable to break free from the monotony of our 9-to-5 jobs. One of the biggest challenges people face is lack of motivation. We start out strong, but soon lose steam and give up on our fitness goals. Another major obstacle is the perception that we need to choose between focusing on our fitness or our finances. We feel like we can't have both, and that's a huge misconception. And then there's the lack of direction. We're not sure where to start or how to make progress towards our goals. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome all of these challenges and more? What if you could earn money while getting fit and losing weight, and have a clear direction and motivation to help you achieve your goals? That's where GLP-Xtreme comes in. This innovative weight loss product is designed to optimize your weight loss goals, but also comes with some amazing earning opportunities, providing you with a comprehensive solution to achieve your goals. With Great Life Worldwide, you'll have access to a range of features and benefits that will help you stay motivated, track your progress, and earn money while getting fit. One of the most impressive aspects of Great Life Worldwide is its ability to connect you with a community of like-minded individuals who share your goals and ambitions. This community provides support, motivation, and accountability, helping you to stay on track and push yourself to new heights. The brand new Great Life Worldwide Life Coach membership program is designed to provide all the tools you need to improve your health and wealth. But that's not all. Great Life Worldwide also offers a range of tools and resources to help you earn money while getting fit, including opportunities to participate in fitness challenges, earn rewards, and even start your own fitness-based business. I want to share a success story that really stood out to me. One of the users of GLP-Xtreme, Lisa, was able to transform her body and her bank account in just a few short months. She went from being a self-proclaimed couch potato to running her own successful online health and wellness business, all while earning a steady income through the platform. It's an incredible testament to the power of Great Life Worldwide, and it's just one of many success stories that I could share with you. Lisa's story is a prime example of what's possible with GLP-Xtreme. It's not just about getting fit, it's about building a lifestyle that's sustainable, fulfilling, and profitable. And with GLP-Xtreme, you'll have everything you need to make that a reality. In summary, GLP-Xtreme offers a unique solution that tackles the dual challenges of fitness and earning potential head-on. It's a game-changer for anyone looking to transform their body and their bank account in 2025, and I'm excited to see the impact it will have on your life. Before I sign off, I want to hear from you. What are your fitness goals for 2025? Have you had any experiences with GLP-Xtreme or Great Life Worldwide that you'd like to share? Leave a comment below and let's continue the conversation. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on fitness, earning potential, and lifestyle design. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.